High to number 9. Number 9. Number 9 to 15. Number 11. Number 22. 22. Attention dito. Lagay mo yung tubig na. Ang speaker. 15. Mark, no good. 10, set the ball. Cook, still by 19, 22. 22, Rajan. He got a charging foul. Charging foul by number 22. Okay. Pantay, still by number 22. 22. Umatake, layup. Basket. 15 to number 9. Pass, no good. You got a foul. Foul, number 12. One Rajan, pass, no good. Rebound by 14. That's it. Number 15. 15. Tinas sa 8. 8 tumira. Basket. Number 1 to 17. 17. Rajan, pass. Basket. Easy basket. Number 8. Pantay. Easy pass break. Legs up. Basket. Number 8. Outside. Dribble. Single. Number 15, Rashid. Pass, no good. Rebound by. Number 9. 9 to number 8. No good. Number 17. 17 layup. No good. Rebound by 15. 15. Pass to number 8. Number 8 pass. No good again. Rebound by 35. Number 1. Number 1 to.
Shoot, bully. Shoot. No hard.
Time left 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Score CSK 9, Gray 4. Chokan ball. Number 1 set the ball. Number 1 to 17. 17 drive. Passing number 1 on the 3-point. No good. Number 10 to number 15, Carino. Carino 7, 14, Blantes, pass, easy shot. Number 1, set the ball. Two, 3-point, no good. Rebound by 13 to 15, Carino. 3-on-1 situation, number 10, easy shot, basket. Number 1. We got a foul. So then, no good.
Rebound.
Second attempt, number 19, 5, risky basket. Score 10-8 in favor of Chokan. Time left 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 13 to number 10, Rajin. Still by 22. 22 to 17. Easy shot. 3-point of blocks. Got 3 Stooges. 15 drives in. Pass to 14. That's it. Block by 35. 13. Outside. Stop. Stop. Drive, pass. You got a foul. Foul number 3. Penalty. First attempt, number 31. Basket. Second attempt on the free throw line. Fires. Basket. Outside. Chok and Chambo.
Number 12 foul.
Foul number 12, Chok and Chang. Number 12, Chok and Chang.
Sino dalawa?
Dalawa yung 12. Sino yung isa?
Yung dyan yung ano, yung payat. 12 ang foul.
12.
Yung isang 12. Bakit dalawang 12 yun?
Yung isang 12, 8.
Gaitos.
Saglit lang po ha.
Dalawang 12 sa kanila, dalawa? Kamali sa lista.
Salita lang.
Yung 8, 12 nakalagay.
Okay, let's start. Okay, back to the ball game. 14 to number 3. Number 3 set the ball to number